Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making fall off the bones ribs in the Instant Pot. These ribs are a sure hit on any family gathering. Start by removing the membrane off the ribs. It's a bit of work, but much needed. When the membrane has been removed, brush on liquid honey on both sides. You need about a quarter cup for 3 ribs. Then you sprinkle on some seasoning. We use our homemade barbecue seasoning. You can find this recipe at allspicedout.com. What's your favorite spice blend and sauce for the ribs? Let us know in the comments below. Then you add your silicone or steel trivet to your Instant Pot. Then pour in 2.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a cup of water. Then place the spare ribs in the Instant Pot. You can fit up to 3 spare ribs in a 6-quart Instant Pot. Then secure the lid on the Instant Pot and close the vent. Pressure cook for 35 minutes. Naturally release the pressure. When the pressure has dropped and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Carefully remove the ribs from the Instant Pot with a trivet. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and carefully spread out the ribs. Place them with the meat facing up. The meat will be very tender at this point, so be careful. Now brush on your favorite barbecue sauce on top. You'll need about a quarter to a third of a cup, but you can use as much as you want. Place the ribs in the oven and broil for 3 minutes. Be careful to not burn them. When 3 minutes are up, remove the ribs from the oven. Carefully transfer the ribs to a serving plate. And there you have them, super tender, fall off the bones ribs, made in the Instant Pot. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.